Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev Stack Bets, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics 1986 with the Green Angel. My dad told me all the Marlboro cowboys died of lung cancer. I wonder if that's true or if he was just making up big fish stories. I love the ads. There's something about the ads from the 70s and the 80s magazines that put a beautiful spin on everything by making everything look a little bit nicer than it is and taking away any form of grunge or gunge at all. Seems like we didn't want to admit in magazines until quite recently. Wait, is that the rear suspension? Huh. That dirt existed. In the Disney Star Wars movies, they're still trying to figure out that dirt exists too. I mean, it's on the ground, but it's never on anybody else. So we got Chevron, and Chevron is different from Chevy, right? Or is Chevron, or was it? Oh, heck you advertisement. Now I want some schnapps. I don't have any idea what that tastes. I want some schnapps. Balloon tires, because you can't just drive around on any old bike. No, you need the hoity-toity fancy white picket fence special. Here you go, bike. Does anyone use chaw anymore? Legit, does anybody use chaw? So I love exploring abandoned buildings. And out here, all abandoned buildings are like farmhouses. And there's always one of these left over. And every one. So it looks like they were giving the Statue of Liberty a little bit of preventative maintenance. And Black & Decker donated a bunch of tools to help with that. For a second there, I was worried they were going to be using Black & Decker for more serious things. Because, legitimately, isn't Black & Decker a house brand? Or do they have an epic industrial brand I've never heard of? I'm going to have to YouTube this now. I really want to see someone stick one of those into a can and fill something up. Wait, this is how oil was distributed before we got the plastic ones, eh? Wow. Okay, I just figured that out. Jeez. I wonder why I never even saw any of those spouts around. Huh. That Joe Camel guy, he's always the same guy in everything. Look, that guy is so hairy, I swear to God, you could probably light a fire with him if you shaved his head and his arms. Okay, so this is pretty cool. We have the Apple II. Wait, that's an interesting peripheral. Clockwise below includes a plug-in telephone modem. Oh, that's a modem. Okay. All right. Anyways, when I was in grade 10, my English teacher was still making reports and whatnot with one of these, printing them off and just giving them out to us. I love the advertisements. Is he drawn or is he real? No, he must be real. What happened to the suit? That's so cool. Here we see Radio Shack. I really miss Radio Shack. We had them over in Mount Forest for a while, but then they just disappeared. You can get Radio Shack freaking everything. It was overpriced. Even the individual pieces were overpriced, but damn, it was nice to have the ability to get it. I think I might be on the internet too much. I always read that incorrectly. Check this thing out, though. It's an automatic camera that has automatic light metering, auto exposure, motor drive. You guys have no idea how much your phone does to make your images look good. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, hell yeah. AT-ATs? I want 8. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just being blown away here. I think I'm developing a nosebleed out of love for the situation. Check it out. They managed to put barcode scanners in your head. No longer are these scanners specifically attached to the counters. The GoBots. The GoBots. Must just be a tech thing about me, but I absolutely love strange calculators. Also talking about the interesting advertisements. I love it. This is a bad joke. Literally, in Canada here especially, if you don't have a home if you're these people's ages these days. These people don't have a home. These people are still babies living with their parents. She's going to be addicted to social media, and she'll do everything social media tells her to. And this guy will be on Xbox while she's sleeping with somebody from work. Don't worry about him. Sorry, I'm bitter from life experience of close friends of mine. But you know what is a great antidote for that? Hank Hill. Boy, I tell you what, Bobby, who would ever do drugs when they can just mow the lawn? It's one thing I frickin' love about John Deere's. You can find out anything you need to know by just getting that number off it. You see one of these things going down the road in a parade, you just look at that number and you're like, okay. And you can tell anything you need to know. Okay, there's no domestic violence going on here. This clearly can't be true. Check it out. Crystalline fuel injector. Chrysler fuel injector. Power module. Gives you all the little frickin' bits. I love it. Let's take a look at the time machine. That's an interesting motorcycle mask. Got the popular mechanics, retrofuturism. What the heck are they in? Is it just me, or does this guy legit look like he's trying too hard? I don't know. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Nev from Tech Bets. Feel free to drop a comment. Always appreciate it. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will you?